Hi, I'm Gregg Wallis, Senior Editor with Hotel Business, and we're joined here today by Rob Smith, CEO of Stonebridge Companies. Thank you for joining us, Rob.
It's a pleasure to be here today. Thanks for having me.
Great. So you joined Stonebridge in July, not too long ago, and how have your first few months been?
Well, I just hit day 75, and it's been great, both professionally and personally. I relocated to the corporate office area just below Denver from Dallas, and really been acclimating, trying to spend my first 75 days doing nothing but concentrating on our owners, getting to know them, getting to know the product and the people, and finding out where they want me to focus my efforts.
And, what are your plans for moving the company forward?
Originally Stonebridge Companies started as a developer, and they developed about 70 hotels. And as they sold properties, they found that the ownership groups asked them to continue to stay on and manage. So they reluctantly became a third-party manager. In February of 22, the company was sold. And really, at that point on, we're more of a focus of third-party. We recently emerged with Real Hospitality. And that merger was more about acquiring the talent than it was acquiring the people and building out the team. And our goal going forward is to continue in the third-party space. I think we're unique in our approach. We have a financial fund and financial backing, not to buy hotels, but to co-invest with partners that want to help grow our OpCo. Some of the things I've learned coming in, Stonebridge already is a fantastic top-line company. As an aggregate between the legacy Real and Stonebridge, we're running 109% index year to date, and we're at about 7.8% same-store growth, way above the market. So my goal in the short term is to build out the ops team, integrate with Real, and start to build in the third-party space.
Fantastic. And recently the Fed lowered interest rates, thankfully, which was obviously people waited for that for some time. How do you think that's going to affect the industry?
Well, I think it's a great question. I think there's a lot of pent-up demand and a lot of money sitting on the sidelines, which is great. Transactions are a two-edged sword because companies like ours also lose hotels in transactions. It's part of our job to successfully complete the hold period and have an exit for our owners. So you also risk at losing properties. But I do think that there's going to be a boom in 25 of transactions. We're also looking to grow in the management change space. Post-COVID, a lot of the companies out there are in month-to-month contracts. There's a lot of folks that are looking for change, RFPs out there. So we also think equally 25, we're going to see a lot of growth in takeover of non-performing assets.
Gotcha. Well, Rob, thank you so much for joining today. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.